Hi friends! Today we're drawing a super cute Chef Panda. Grab your pencil and let's start. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more kawaii drawings. First, let's draw the fluffy chef hat right in the middle. Add a small line inside the hat. Then, draw a big round oval for the panda's head. Now, give the panda two big oval eyes. Add some cute eyebrows. Add a small nose and a happy smile. It's a cheerful panda chef. Add two little round ears on top. Pandas always need their cute ears. Let's finish with the panda's arms, body, and feet. Next, draw a pink scarf around the neck with a bow on the middle. Now color it in black and white for the panda, pink for the scarf, and little tongue and hat. And a little shading for the chef hat. Great job! You drew a chef panda with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beekeen for more fun tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.